Hello. So today I'm going to demo a little app I made with ChatGPT. Well, it's not ChatGPT, but it's OpenAI's API. I use the DaVinci model. So here's the question I just asked. What was the heptarchy? I asked it to give me 10 questions on the heptarchy, which, if you don't know, let's read. It was the political system in England before the Norman conquest in 1066, which comprised 7 Anglo-Saxon kingdoms: Northumbria, Mercia, East Anglia, Essex, Kent, Sussex, and Wessex. My favorite of those are East Anglia, but anyways, let's ask it another question. Say create and review questions about the Holy Roman Empire. And then we just click generate questions. Great. It is finally done. As you can tell that using the DaVinci model, it actually took, I don't know, probably a minute or two. I'll see and put it on in the screen when I'm done. So it's a little bit slow, but now we have our 10 questions. So what was the Holy Roman Empire? Well, I think it had something to do with Habsburgs. I honestly don't know. Let's look. An empire in Central Europe that lasted from the 10th century to 1806. It was politically, culturally, and religiously diverse. It was ruled by a system of elective monarchy. The first Holy Roman Emperor, Otto the First. What was the impact of the Reformation on the Holy Roman Empire? Impact, leading to increased religious and political divisions, as well as a series of wars known as the 30 Years' War. Ooh. We could ask it. So, create and review questions about the 30 Years' War. Now let's see if it gives me the answers, because we'll see when we look at the code later that I actually specifically asked it for answers, and then the example I had also asked it for answers, and then I showed how I wanted it to deliver the answers. But let's try it. Hello. Now we're back, and we have a review of the 30 Years' War. What was the cause? Conflict between the Catholics and the Protestants. Okay. Main combatants: Holy Roman Empire, Kingdom of Spain, and the Swedish Empire. Ooh. Well, anyways, enough for like a demo of it. Let's go, and I will show you a bit of the code that I used to make it. This is the template, but first let's go to the app one. The most important part is here. So this is actually, I used the quick start as a base to build off of, and we can see here that I have used that, and I request prompt, and then I use, this is the actual API request, and then here we are getting the text that it returned, and then but down here is the main reason why it outputs the way it does. So I said create 10 review questions about the French Revolution with answers and references, and its response I said should be like this. So it makes the flip card. So the flip card front has the question, the back has the answer and the reference. And then I go down here, I say prompt. That's where our user inputted prompt goes in. Then I say format it. Now if we go up here, this part is important too. Oh no, wait, it's over here. Index. So this is the CSS. I think it's W3 CSS who like originally made this. Then if we scroll down, we just have our little, okay, post review questions and that. And then I said, if there's a result, display the result and it is safe. So if I didn't put the safe flag there, Jinja would escape all of my HTML characters and it would just look odd. Anyways, that is about the basics of it. You can follow OpenAI's quick start guide to actually run this. You just have to download the code from or like clone the code from my GitHub repo, and then you would be able to run it yourself. Oh, I guess in my README, I've actually changed this enough that you should be able to just follow this. So you go in, you clone it. Oh, yes, it's mine there. But anyways, you clone it, and then it you can switch to it, and you just can follow these instructions to run it. But anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to some of my future videos.